Hi Gemini, I hope you are doing great. So, in today's reading, I am gonna do your reading for the month of July. And in this reading, Gemini, I am going to take three cards for you past, present, and future, and three cards for your person past, present, and future. And then I am going to pull one universe guidance card for this connection, and after that I am going to pull out power of love activation card for the healing and how you can heal this connection and yourself. And then I want you guys to ask a question, and then I am going to pull one angel answer card for you guys to answer your question. And please make sure that your question, the answer of your question should be in yes or no, and because these cards give answer in yes or no. Okay, so let's get started. So three cards for my Gemini friends. Moon, Fool, and then Nine of Cups. And three cards for your person. Six of Cups, World in reverse, and Five of Wands. Okay, so Gemini, in the past, probably there were some secrets. The moon shows something hidden which is not clear to you. Probably something, some lies or some deception or something. So probably in this situation you did not have the clarity. You probably thinking that you don't know everything, and probably um, with regards to this person there were some secrets, some lies, probably in the current situation. Uh, you are probably taking a leap of faith. You are having belief in yourself and moving ahead. So you are no longer concerned with these secrets, because you have tried to get to know all of these, but this person was not able to tell you the secrets in the past, and now you are being yourself in the current situation. Probably you are dealing with an Aries sign as well. In the future there is Nine of Cups, so probably you are taking a leap of faith to fulfill your wishes. So cups is nothing but wish fulfillment. So you are now focusing on yourself and trying to create a life which you have ever wished, right? In your person's energy here, Gemini, there is Six of Cups. Six of Cups is some past life connection. Probably this is a karmic connection also, but this is a past life connection, and uh, you two were meant to come together in a relationship, in some kind of situationship. And because there are some past life connection, there is some past life things that needs to be resolved in the current situation. The world in reverse. So world in reverse means the cycle has not been completed for this person. Probably this person was keeping a secret. Probably this person was not telling you about these lies which they were keeping, the secrets which they were keeping from you. And probably this kind of thing is kind of backfiring on them, and there is world in reverse. So this cycle has not been completed yet, and they will again have to fight. There is like a kind of chaos is coming in their life. Probably I don't see it with you. Probably this is related to some karmic situation, They have created something by keeping secrets from you. They have created something. They were doing something. They were lying, and this was meant to happen because this is there is past life involved, and this thing is not over. This is going to continue in future as well. This is what I can see in the month of July as well. They will have some kind of arguments probably. uh, they will be trying to fight for you, or they will be trying uh, to make peace within their environment, but their environment does not look like a peaceful place in future. Okay, so let's get guidance from universe for this connection. Okay, two cards came out. Oh, so here it is eight of cups and queen of wands. So universe is trying to tell you, Gemini, that you have to, you are not getting. So there are only eight of cups, you got nine of cups already. So you are aspiring for 10 of cups with this person, but this person was able to give you only eight of cups, and two of cups two of cups were missing from this person's offering. So you are coming into in charge of your own life, and universe is telling you to be in charge of your life and take control of your life. And because you already have what have already got what you need in your life, and you can you because this person is going this way and this queen is also looking this way, so it means like you need to keep looking for your own happiness, and instead of waiting for this person to come back and tell you why this person was keeping secrets from you. So that's all what I am getting for you, Gemini. I hope it is resonating, and I am going to pull one power of love activation card, guidance from the universe for your healing. Okay, so freedom. So I got freedom card for you. Okay, so you are releasing any self imposed restriction or perceived limitations through the loving energy of openness. Yes, so this is what Fool card is about. So, freedom. So, you are looking for your own freedom. You don't want to stuck in the past, in the past where secrets were kept from you. So, in the present, the universe is telling you to be free, to be free and release any self imposed restriction and limitations. Okay, and uh, be open to the loving energy. So I'm going to pull one angel answer card. So please ask a question. You can comment in the comment box also below. So let's see what is your angel answer cards for my Gemini. Let's see what are angel answer card. Okay, compromise. So in the current situation, probably this is a no. No, because in the if you want to get what you are asking in the question, you have to make a lot of compromise. You will not be free. You will not be free. Maybe this person has not come out of this current energy of secrets and lies and all. So probably you need to compromise on your freedom with this person. So it is a no. Sorry about that. And but you need to start feeling free because you are no longer bound by the lies of this person, and you are going ahead for your wish fulfillment. So that's all for you, Gemini. I hope it resonated, and if it resonated, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Take care, love and light. Bye.